Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Due to recent outbreaks, a lot of us have been forced to be quarantined. So today I decided to show you a full body workout routine that you can do at home with no equipment needed. This is a very easy workout and it targets your whole body. Pause now if you want to follow along and resume when you find a wider place to do it together.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we die. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away, run Getting stronger every day. Through the bullets and the flames. But the fire's in your eyes and there's no place left to hide. You got nowhere to run away. No, you got nowhere to run away. Run away, 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 run Getting stronger every day. Through the bullets and the flames. But the fire's in your eyes and there's no place left to hide. You got nowhere to run away. No, you got nowhere to run away. Run away, 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 run
So that was the workout. Remember to rest 2 minutes and do 2 more sets later. I made this workout very easy so everyone should be able to do it. And I hope by this workout you can keep your muscles active during this period of time. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. If you really do, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more.